Dr. Anuradha and Dr. Saharia have sent their video clippings.
Good evening, everyone. I am Dr. Anuradha, consultant nephrologist at Sunshine Hospital's Secunderabad. I would like to thank the jury for selecting me for this Legend Award in Nephrology. Unfortunately, due to some unavoidable circumstances, I am unable to be present physically at the event. I would like to thank Hybiz management, Dr. Bura Narsaya Gaud Garu and Dr. Sridhar Kasturi Garu for their support and encouragement. I hope all of you will have a wonderful evening, and I would also like to congratulate all the other awardees.